Okay, so this might be the trickiest problem with the tables. The thing to notice is that here you can see that we're getting really close to -2 without actually being -2. So that tells us that our equation of the asymptote is going to be y is equal to -2. It also means that when we have our equation of the function, we're going to end up with a -2 at the end. But to see everything else, what we want to do is then add 2 to all of our numbers, and it's going to make it everything else much more clear. So if you add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, and add 2, this becomes, and I'll do it in a slightly different color, 256, 64, 16, 4, 1, 1/4, 1/16, and 1/64. And when you do this, the pattern now becomes super easy to see. As we go down, we're multiplying by 1/4. That's our multiplier, 1/4. If we look at our zero term, we are 16 above the asymptote. That's going to be the A. That's going to be our A. Now, that's not our y-intercept. Our y-intercept, we can see really clearly, is just 0, comma, blank in the table. But the A, remember that this is A plus K, and our K is -2, so it's A plus -2 is equal to 14, so what value is A? And then so you do that. Now, domain is all real numbers. Range is, in this case, from the asymptote, so our minimum is our asymptote, where our asymptote is -2 to our maximum goes up to infinity. For the equation, remember, it's y is equal to a times b to the x. Well, the b is just the multiplier, or the base, right? And our a is just, like we said, this value a right here, the number plus -2 that equals 14, which is just our distance from our asymptote up to our y-intercept.